not sure things are easy. That's why he did not mention that. But the issue of fee paying was a difficult one. And the other issue is the membership. Very few people know about Hexagon, despite our chapters. Each country has a chapter, and unfortunately, I know in Tanzania, when chapter meetings are called, few people go there. I don't know why. But I would like to encourage each one of you who is here today to feel thirsty, feel hungry to be a member of Hexagon. Nowadays, when you want to participate in an international community, there are certain things they will ask you. Number one, are you a member of your Nurses Association? And number two, for our region, are you a member of Hexagon? Now, if you miss those two, you may miss a chance. So please take it up. It is an honor to be a member of a regional organization. That's all I want to add. Thank you.
Asante sana, Professor Mela. You see, even though it is just without prior information, and she managed to share with us very important information. So that's what I think.
Okay, thank you so much, Mama Mela. She used to be the president of Hexagon, one of the people who are well known in Hexagon in the region. Thank you so much for adding your sentiments. Okay, then what comes next is introduced by the chairperson. I was supposed to make this presentation tomorrow, but I'm told some people wanted to have it today, so here I am. So after knowing what Hexagon is, one of the activities which we are undertaking currently, in collaboration with the Institute for Reproductive Health, based in Washington, Georgetown University, with support from USAID, is to expanding sensitization on fertility awareness methods of family planning, with more focus on standard days method. So I'll be having some brochures which talks about this revitalization, definitely, not really something new. And also we have some cycle bits that need to be guided by Mr. Mori. Do we distribute some widely so that people can go with us? Or I just speak, okay. Okay, so our presentation basically will be touching on those key issues, what the CDM is, what it takes for counseling, and if our time allows, we have 5 minutes, we have a short video clip for how the counseling takes place. Okay. So that's found. Modern fertility awareness methods are effective options for many women who want to space pregnancies without using a hormonal method. We are all nurses, we are all midwives, we know there are some women who are contraindicated or they just don't feel comfortable to use the hormonal method. Then what do we offer them in that situation? So farm offer an opportunity to involve partner in optimal baby spacing and timing. Because this, it all depends on commitment between two partners. I mean, it works best when two partners are involved. They have no side effects, and also it's very economic. Because one cycle can be used for quite some time. That's what I'm saying, it's economical. So let's see how farm works. So basically it identifies the fertile window. Days where intercourse can result in pregnancy, basically. So use one or more indicators to identify beginning and end of fertile window by monitoring those issues. Then there's the question, why also develop new farm? Because the other methods which are relying on fertility cycle of a woman were in existence. but still, we want to develop more. So there is low use of current family fertility awareness-based methods in the population, and very poor understanding of fertility in the general population. Most people, women and men, they're not very competent, especially in the rural population, on how their fertility window is. So that's why it comes to increase the awareness. Also, there is significant unmet need for family planning, or no, ranging from a number of, so it depends on the setup. And most health providers don't have time to cancel their plans, patients in most areas, because of the beliefs and other things. And also, farm can contribute to effort to reduce the gap between contraceptive community needs and donor capacity. Because we are all aware most of the family planning programs are donor dependent. So donor funded. So that's why having kind of things which can, because we're procuring one cycle being once, which use it for 3-5 years, is more than having hormonal method on day-to-day basis or injectable after some time. So this the situation, studies were done to see how the proportion of people who are using traditional methods versus modern methods. So there is a significant portion of population who are still using traditional methods, much as they were not tested through study. So the same, among the people who are using those traditional methods, there is a proportion of people significant who do have incorrect knowledge of fertile time, as opposed to some who are having correct knowledge. So much as people are using those kinds of methods, but they don't have that knowledge is required. So far, in the context of fertility in the health timing and spacing of pregnancies, HTSP, and also I hope we have heard of this terminology, health timing and spacing of pregnancies. Maybe for the benefit of all of us, I will leave a video which explains about this, so you can be able to access maybe through YouTube or other mechanism. Okay? So trying to compare effectiveness of family planning, we can see the hormonal methods are up there, plus IUD and others, going down the pills, and also fertility awareness methods are found to be useful with the success rate of 95%. So that's why it's coming to be emphasized as another option in the method mix. So standardized method, if you've seen those means, some of you have managed to have some, those that not know expected to have like a group. I thought it's gonna be like 50 people. Okay, SDM is used with cycle beats, which is a color-coded string of beats that helps a woman to track the days of her cycle. And also know when she is fertile, because it's very important, but some are difficult to track. And also monitor her cycle length, because there are indications of who is eligible to use the method and who is not eligible. What's the cycle beat which you are talking to?